Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix account not in this store issue on your Apple device in your App Store. So guys, if you are trying to download some apps from your App Store but you are facing this issue, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open settings in your device, and then you have to scroll it below and tap on general, and then scroll it below and you have to go to language and region, and then tap on region and select the country or region correctly, and after this go back, and now you have to open your profile. Here you can see this, and now you have to tap on media and purchases and then tap on view account and wait here for some seconds. And now you have to tap on country or region and again wait here for some seconds. So guys, from here tap on change country or region, and now you have to simply select the country where the app can be downloaded. So guys, you have to simply select that country. Here I am selecting United States. So guys, scroll it below all the way and select United States, and then wait here for some seconds and tap on agree button. And now you have to simply give here your payment method, and you can also tap on none button if you don't have any payment method. So guys, simply save this information on your device, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to download any app from your App Store. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.